Hey Mikola, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I'm sorry for the delay in getting this video over to you. It's been a crazy week. Got the kids home with all the coronavirus stuff going on, so it's been a little bit hectic, but we are back on track now. So first off, I know you don't have a website, so I just wanted to show you a quick example of a website that I just recently wrapped up. And just some of the key components that you really want to keep in mind when the time does come that you are ready for a website for your business. A website's a great way to generate new customers for your business, especially if it's built out correctly. And you do a lot of the stuff that I'm going to talk about today to make sure that you're able to get it to move up in the rankings and generate the traffic that we're going to go over and talk about. So first off, click to calls are going to be awesome for your business. People do mobile search very often these days, and so they're looking for that business that allows them just to click to call. It's going to make it a lot easier on your customers. You're going to have a lot higher conversion rate when people do get to your site. And you can see this is a click to call now. This works as well. Contact forms up here at the top of your site are going to be big as well. So people are looking for that company to go out there and give them a bid or come out there and get started on that project as fast as possible. So having that contact form up here for people aren't having to search around for it is going to be big for your business as well. We do still have the contact us tab here, but by having that contact form here at the top of the page, it just allows people to get a hold of you easier. Overall, the sites don't have to be, too over the top. You can kind of go as much as you want with it. You could do something way over the top if that's what you're wanting to do. But really, you're just looking for something that will rank and look good in Google's eyes. So as far as ranking goes, there's over 200 different ranking factors that Google looks at. And one of the biggest ones we can influence is the amount of content we have on this homepage. So what we really strive to go for our clients is at least 1,000 to 1,500 words, if not more, depending on what your competition has. So we always want to be beating our competition out in every way possible. So if your competition has 2,000 words of content, we're going to be doing 2,500, just because we really want to, make sure that we're going to be in that top spot. But overall, this is just kind of a basic layout for a site that you guys could go for with your business. So looking at Electrical Contractors Philadelphia, this is currently getting 150 searches per month just for this one search term. And there's a lot of other ones out there, and we can look at those here in a minute. Being in the top spot for this search term, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your business. So that's a lot of new leads that you could potentially be getting just by being in the top spot for this search term. So as we get into Google search results, there's a couple things we look at. Everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands what they're looking at. And this is just some tools they have here. So let me exit those out. So Google Guaranteed, this is something that was launched by Google here in the last year or two. And what this is just Google's verifying that these businesses are bonded insured. It's just another way for Google to make money on top of their Google paid ads, which you can see here. Google paid ads is definitely a way that you can generate instant traffic for your company, but you are going to see a lot higher return on investment and overall growth for your business if you organically rank your website here in the GMB, or 3-pack as other people call it, and here in the organic search results. As far as getting your business into this 3-pack, the first one is definitely going to be having an address in that Philadelphia area. I don't know exactly what city you're based out of. I'm just going off of the information that was passed over to me by Sean. But having an address in there and getting that GMB built out, even if you're not in Philadelphia, but whatever city you're based out of, will definitely help in generating a lot of new traffic for your business. Once you get that GMB built out, you get all that information in there that Google is asking for. The next step is going to be citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be like Yellow Book, even a Facebook page. If you list that business name, address, and phone number, it can count as a citation source for your business. And the more citation sources you have, the more likely you are to be in that 3-pack. And obviously, you do have to have an address in that location as well in order to get that GMB verified. The cool thing we have is that we actually have tools that allow us to go in there and see exactly how many citations your competition has. And again, we want to beat our competition out in every way possible. So if your competition has 40 citations, we're going to do 140 citations because we want there to be no doubt in Google's mind that we are the superior website. The last big ranking factor in getting your business into this is where your website sits organically in these search results. So organically, where your website would sit is a big factor in how you would wind up here. Organically, looking at the search results, I don't include Yelp, Blue Book, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. these guys are all direct competitors with Google and these paid ads. So Google really prefers to rank the small mom and pop businesses over these large national directory sites that are just selling leads. Looking at Laterborn Electric on their website. So they do have a nice site. It looks good. Not much content, so very doable to pass these guys up content-wise. I mean, it looks good, but it's not built to rank. It's the only reason they're in that spot right now is just because nobody's come in there and taken it. So looking at their site, not very impressive whatsoever. Looking at the back end of their site, this is where it kind of gets down to the nitty-gritty. So the whole internet is built on backlinks, and it's one business linking itself to another business, one website linking itself to another website. These guys currently have 603 backlinks from 80 referring domains. They're ranking for 758 keywords, and they're getting 263 people per month to their website. For you guys, as you're going out and getting backlinks from your site, you really want to make sure that you're getting niche relevant backlinks. So if you were to get a backlink from an electrical site or something pertaining to electrical, here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, it's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So you really want to go after the niche relevant backlinks for your business. What's also cool about this is we can go through and see which keywords they're ranking for. We can copycat and target the exact same keywords. So electrician Philadelphia, 200 searches per month. Electrical contractors Philadelphia, 150 searches. That's what we were just looking at. So we can go through here and target the exact, search terms that are getting them all the traffic and target those for your business and get these customers coming to you instead of these other guys who really don't deserve it right now because their website's really subpar. So again, just to kind of summarize everything, first thing is going to be a website, making sure you're building it to not only rank, but also convert once people are getting to your site, making sure you're getting that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, which would be plenty based on your competition. Next off is going to be getting a GMB up for your business and getting those citations pointed towards it. And then lastly is going to be getting those backlinks pointed towards it, making sure they're niche relevant. And you are going to be well on your way to generating a lot of new traffic for your business. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.